guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Hi, please consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notifications button so every time I upload a video you will be notified. Don't forget to like, comment, share. My name is Brandy and I am the owner of Simply Created and Designed LLC, and I am super excited to share with you this week's vlog. So let's jump right into it. Hey friends, happy Thursday. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. I know I am late on my vlog. I say that every week. I'm just going to go ahead and say it now. I'm going to be late, but I am going to have a video. So what is going on? So I'm super excited to share with you this week's vlog and give you guys an update on my craft room space. So my stuff is still not organized as of yet. So when I went into my craft room to do like some, and actually into the laundry room of my craft section, right? My craft space. So when I went to go do some organizing, I actually forgot that my Avon stuff, there's some shipping stuff like shipping bags and materials actually on the top shelf. So this is what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. So those of you guys who watched my video last week, I am organizing all the new stock that I recently ordered for new projects that are coming up. I'm trying to make space for it. So if you haven't watched that video, go check out my craft space tour from last week so you can see all the goodies, right? So what I'm thinking, I think I'm gonna move all of my Avon, because technically I have a section here, if you guys remember from last week, and then I have another section up here of the shipping bags on. I completely forgot about all the bags and stuff I had. So I think I'm gonna move that into my bedroom closet so I can have all of those shelves be just for my business. So I'm not done organizing yet. So stay tuned. So if I do that, I think that will be better to help section off supplies that go with each other for certain projects, right? So I just want to give you guys a brief, quick update on my craft space. Also, what I've been doing this week, I have been restocking my shipping extras that I put into my packages, which everybody loves extras. But what I did was I made some more magnets. And the magnets are just simply just saying, what does the magnet say? The magnets just say, you've got great taste, and it has my website around it, and it's purple, right? It's a cute magnet. I found a quick and easy, simple video on YouTube, and I started making them last year. And so I was restocking up on those. So I made some more of those. I also made a lot of care cards, right? So I made care cards for my sublimation mugs. I made care cards for the coffee mugs, wine glasses, shirts. I made care cards for shirts. And oh, I also made some for cold cups because I did a custom order, and actually it's my only cold cup order that I did. And I had to make some quick care cards. So when I looked in my little bin where I keep all the care cards at, I only had like 2 of those. So I made some more of those. Oh, you know what? So I saw this great idea on TikTok at the end of the summer last year. And it was a very simple scratch off, I guess you could say like an incentive, right, for shopping with me, little card that I made. So I absolutely love it. So I had to re-up on those. I made one sorry you're not a winner card, and then I have 4 like incentive cards. So one is free shipping. I think when you purchase like $60 worth of product from me, free shipping, 25% off your order, and $4 off, and I think I did a 15%. So, and you know what? I didn't even know this, and this is why I love TikTok. TikTok, you learn so much from TikTok, but they're little circle, 1-inch diameter, little scratch off stickers. So I made my scratch off through Canva, and I will add a picture so you can see it on here. I made my scratch off through Canva, and then I just applied the sticker, right? So easy, so dope. And I love it, you know, like a scratch off. Like I love to play the lottery and scratch offs and stuff like that. So I thought it was a cute idea, so I definitely added it to my packaging, right? Also, oh, so if you guys saw my last video, I made custom, well, wine glasses. So I made an etched wine glass, and I made like a personalized one with some permanent vinyl. So this is what I keep telling you guys about: keep creating, right? Sometimes things may be slow, or you know, you're not getting, you know, a lot of sales and stuff like that. Even though you're not maybe getting, you know, a lot of sales, or, you know, stuff like that, people are still watching you. So January has been a slow month for me, just honestly, right? It's been a very slow month after Christmas. You know, I expect it to be slow and then to pick up probably right about now, which that's what it's doing, right? So I posted it on my Instagram. For those of you guys don't follow my Instagram, go check me out. So I posted it on my Instagram, and I used the background from the movie The Hangover, right? So I posted the glass. It said, well, if you guys didn't see my craft video, I'll tell you. It said, well, if it isn't Little Miss I'm never drinking again, right? So it was a stemless wine glass. So the next day, I got an inquiry on my Instagram page, and I thought that was so dope, right? So I'm waiting to hear back from them. Hopefully they will message me or whatever, and let me know what they want. I think that's awesome, right? So I'm super excited about that. So just keep posting your product, keep creating, and keep putting it out there. People are watching what you're doing, right? So I thought that was awesome. So I just want to share that with you. This is a very short video. I actually hopped on real quick because I'm about to go pick up my daughter. It's actually 6:30. So normally I leave now to go pick up my daughter. So I just want to jump on here and make a quick vlog for you guys, because I really didn't have a whole lot for this week, but I just want to let you guys know what I've been working on, right? So I'm going to go ahead and close off my video with my business affirmations. So remember to stay focused on your goals, stay positive, right? Do not compare your journey to anyone else's journey. Let me tell you a quick story real quick. And when I say these affirmations to you guys, I literally say them to myself all the time. So I saw a girl I came across her video on YouTube, right? And she was making scrunchies, and I was like, wow, you know, scrunchies are really in. A lot of people are making them. I think that's great, right? So I go to her profile page to look and see what other videos she had. She had like 3 full videos and like 2 little short videos, but she had like, I think it was like either 1,300 or 1,800 subscribers. I was like, oh my God, you know, some people are lucky like that, right? Where they are, and she was only been on YouTube for like a couple months, right? 3-4 months maybe, and boom, her page just hit that. I think that's so dope, where sometimes you have the rest of us like me that are on here, you know, cranking out the videos weekly, and you know, and we are slowly crawling. But you know what though? Slow pace is better than fast pace. And I had it, and you know, I was telling my mom about it, and I was like, Mom, I said, I gotta tell myself this. I tell my viewers every week, don't compare your journey to anybody else's journey. Not that I compare it, but I still was like envious, like, wow, she jumped up there that quick, you know? And you know, everybody wants to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? So that's the overall goal, but we are gonna make it. We gotta keep creating and keep posting videos. So I'm just sharing, you know, something that I always, you know, say to you guys that I needed to say to myself too, right? So speak life into your business. Speak it into existence. Remember, you will have slow days. Go back to the drawing board and regroup, right? Remember, Rome was not built in one night. I'm telling myself that. Rome was not built in one night, right? Failing is part of the process. It helps you grow. keep going, keep creating, stay consistent. Yes, every week we stay consistent, right? Promote your business. When you leave the house, wear your product, whether it's a hat, keychain, t-shirt, jacket, purse, whatever, right? You are the brand. If you are just starting out your business, you will be nervous, you will be scared. That is okay. It's normal. Just start. Get yourself out there, right? Have faith. Have fun and love what you do, okay? Everything will fall into place after that. You will learn as you go. And then most importantly, please, please, please block the negativity, right? Never let anybody discourage you and block you from your blessings, your dreams, and most importantly, also, please believe in yourself and never give up. You got this. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me each and every single week. So until next time, take care, guys.